Introducing the Stink Solution Auto Odor Eliminating Spray, the revolutionary solution to eliminate unwanted odors from your vehicle. The Stink Solution is powered by OAM technology. This technology is able to identify the odor-causing molecules and neutralize odor instantly upon contact. It is non-toxic, all-natural, and free from harmful chemicals. It's even safe to use around kids, pets, and people with allergies. To use the Stink Solution, simply shake the bottle well and then spray it evenly on all surfaces inside of your vehicle. The powerful formula of the Stink Solution goes to work immediately, eliminating any odor from your car. Breathe easy and enjoy a fresh and odor-free environment every time you step into your vehicle. The Stink Solution is safe to spray on all surfaces inside of your car, including fabric, leather, vinyl, plastic, and more. It will eliminate any odor, including smoke, skunk, sweat, food, fart, spoiled milk, and even other unwanted smells. With the Stink Solution, you can say goodbye to temporary odor solutions that only mask odors. Our spray offers long-lasting freshness and complete odor elimination, ensuring your car smells clean and inviting. So why tolerate unpleasant odors in your vehicle when you can easily eliminate them with the Stink Solution? Order your bottle today. The natural, safe, and effective way to keep your car smelling fresh. The Stink Solution.